Hi, it's Kirsten from WTI. I found a new way to achieve a better night's sleep. In my case, it's all been thanks to this acupressure mat by the brand Level Body, Mind, and Soul. So I've been using this mat before I go to bed. Basically, you just lay on the mat. I started off wearing a thin piece of clothing between me and the mat, and I started off laying on my mattress where it was a little softer. And then eventually I graduated to the floor, and then eventually you can graduate to skin on mat contact. And it might seem a little bit strange that laying on these little plastic spikes actually relaxes you, but in my case, I've noticed after about a month of use that I feel so much more calm and relaxed before I go to bed. But the great thing about this mat is the fact that you can use it in so many different areas in your life. It comes with a really great travel bag as well, so you can definitely bring it with you no matter where you go. But I've been using it as well as I sit at my computer, at my desk for long periods of time, even to just sit on the couch and watch TV. I've sat on this mat and it really helps to calm me down. It comes with a really great pillow as well, which feels so good against your neck and your head. I have noticed so many numerous benefits from this mat. I highly recommend it. Get it for yourself or a gift for someone else. You won't regret it. But that's just my point of view.